Hello dear students, today I am going to tell you about the cell referencing. First of all, what is cell reference? The cell address in a formula is known as cell reference. Fine. So we will study about the relative cell reference and the absolute cell reference in the today's topic. To explain you the relative reference, I have prepare a table here in front of you consisting of the entities item price quantity, and these are the items A B C D E F, and the price and the quantity is also given here, and we have to take out the total here. And but before starting the applying the relative cell reference, I'm just going to tell you what is relative cell reference. Relative cell reference can be explained in terms of the position of a formula relative to the cell, which means when you copy or move a formula, then the cell reference automatically gets changed. Fine. So practically how it will happen. So I have clicked my mouse here in the cell which is having the cell address as the E6. In this cell address, I am just putting the formula of multiplication. I have to multiply the price and the quantity. So to apply the formula, I am just putting first of all equal to symbol. After putting the equal to symbol, I am clicking on the price, that is the cell address C6. Then I am putting here the symbol of multiplication. Then I am putting my cursor on the quantity and then press the enter key. So this is the total, or you can say the formula result of the formula that I've applied here. So what's the formula is equal to C6. C6 is the price that is having the 15, and D6 which is having the quantity 10, and multiplication will be the result will be as the 150. So this is the formula that I have inserted here. So this is the simple formula. But if we want to apply the same formula in the remaining cells, what I have to do, I have to put the mouse here in the right corner of the total 150. My cursor will change to the autofill handle, means the plus symbol, and I will drag the mouse from here to the remaining cells, and the result will automatically be applied. The formula will be copied to the selected cells. So this is known as relative cell reference. Means when you move copy a formula, the relative reference automatically gets changed. Look here. Here the cell address is C6 into D6. When I am taking down the cell address, the cell reference change automatically C7 into D7. When I move down, the cell reference automatically gets changed, that is C8, then D8, that same like the other one also, C9, D9, and then for the last one also C10 and D10. So this is known as cell reference, where the position of the formula get changed related to the cell. So I hope you all have got the point, you are clear with the concept. Now coming on the another topic, that is absolute cell reference. I'm coming on the another sheet. So here is the absolute cell reference sheet. I'm just again entering here the cell and writing here that was left from my side. This is absolute cell reference. So second type of cell reference is absolute cell reference. Now what is absolute cell reference? To explain this topic to you, I prepared a sheet here, and in the terms of definition, you can say it as absolute cell reference is used when we do not want to change the address of the cell while copying the formula to another cell. Clear? To make the absolute cell reference of a formula, we have to add the dollar symbol before the row number and the column number. This is known as absolute cell reference. Now practically how it will happen, I have prepared a sheet here in front of you. These are the serial number and these are the price, and the discount on the price is 10%. दिस इज द प्राइस, और इस पे जो आपका डिस्काउंट है वो है 10%. नाउ यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द डिस्काउंटेड अमाउंट व्हेन यू अप्लाई द 10% डिस्काउंट ऑन द प्राइस 200. व्हाट विल बी द अमाउंट हेयर? दिस यू हैव टू calculate here. When you will calculate here this particular formula, this cell address will remain constant and the remaining entities will get changed. So when you keep one quantity, sorry, one entry as the constant by putting the dollar symbol there, that is called absolute cell reference. Now what I will do, I will click on the cell here, that is E8. This is the cell address E8, and I am just putting here the formula equal to, this is my cell address, and I have to multiply here, multiplication symbol, and clicking on this cell address, but I have to make this particular cell as the constant. I will put the symbol dollar and here also dollar, and after putting it here, press the enter key. So this is the discounted amount, means 10% is discount on the price 200. If I will apply, I want the same formula to be put it on the remaining cells also. What I will do, I will take my cursor here in the corner. The cursor will change to the autofill handle, and I will drag the mouse to the remaining cells like this, and the discounted amount will appear in front of you in the selected cells. So here you can see, here I have applied the formula equal to D8. D8 is 200 and $C for it means I have made this particular price as the discounted price as a constant, and the result is 20. When I move down, the cell address for the further calculation is now D9, and this is again constant, means what is the discounted price of the price 300, it is here. Now as the when we move down the cursor, again the formula is there equal to D10. D10 is the address here, and the this particular field is again constant. When I again move down, the formula is D11. D11 is, but these are changing and this is constant. This is called absolute cell reference. Remaining also are like this. You are having here the price as the D12, and this is again same. Again down, last entry, this is D13, and the formula you are applying is again this is constant. So this is called absolute cell reference. So I hope you all have understood the concept of the cell referencing. Thank you. Have a nice day.